Students, in this class, I'm going to discuss with you the second poem of Flamingo, an elementary school classroom in a slum. So far, we have seen that how the children of the slum area are compared with rootless weeds, how they are like unwanted plants who don't have to do anything with the crops with other plants. We have seen that how Stephen Spender, one of the best poets of England, has painted the picture of the true picture of the people living in slum area, especially the children living in slum area. He has painted the stark reality of slum area, the utter poverty, the utter confusion because of that poverty, and he has also painted the picture of a classroom which is situated in a slum area. Now, in this primary school, entitled as in this poem as an elementary school classroom in a slum, you have seen the condition of the school, the condition of the wall. You have seen that the wall, which was once white of white color, has become sour yellow. You know the meaning of sour yellow, which is not white, which is yellowish or light yellow color. You have also seen that in that class are sitting a number of boys, girls, and boys. You have also seen that they do not read their lessons, they do not learn their lessons sitting on the benches, but opening their books, they do talk about their parents, of obviously their father's gnarled disease, because they are the heir of the bent bones. They are the heir of the unfortunate people, and they do talk about the problems of life, the problems of the family. They do not read their lessons from the books which they have on their desks. You've also seen that on the walls there is written the lines from Shakespeare's poem. I told you, Shakespeare, one of the greatest poets and dramatists of the Elizabethan age. He was born in the year 1554 and died in the year 1616. He had written 154 sonnets and 37 plays. His lines are written on the walls of that school, and you won't believe that Shakespeare does not talk about any poor person or a common person. He does always talk about the kings and generals and great people, great persons of the kingship. He does not talk about common people, a person from lower strata of the society or a person from the poor background. Shakespeare does not talk about such persons. So what does his line intends which are there written on the wall? Shakespeare does talk about life full of happiness, a star of words, ships and sun. Shakespeare does always talk about the positivity, the good things of life, the good picture of life. He does have never shown, he does have never written about the bad life condition or the poverty or the poor people in his poetry, in his dramas. So what I wanna say and what Stephen Spender the poet wanna say is that these lines have nothing to do with the life of these poor children of slum area. The line written on the board, the line written on the walls have nothing to do with these children who has never seen the sun, who has never heard about ships, who has never heard about valleys and flowers. These lines are useless, senseless, meaningless for these children who live in slum area. Their life starts with fog and ends to endless night. Here, fog means confusion. Here, fog means confusion. They don't know about their future, what they will after completing their primary education. They don't have any idea, any clear cut vision in their mind that whether they will get three times a meal or not.